Today, I'll show you how to get blast powder in LEGO Fortnite, an uncommon but important material for advanced crafting. Blast powder isn't something you simply pick up. It comes from skeleton enemies, more specifically the ones that wear cowboy hats and bandanas. Although other enemies might drop it too, these enemies are the easiest to defeat. To find these skeletons, go to the Dry Valley Desert biome during the night. Timing is important. These enemies don't spawn during the daytime. You don't need anything special to defeat them. You just need to use your good old sword or your crossbow to defeat these enemies. An important thing to bring would be torches though, because nights in the dry valley can get cold. After you beat skeletons, some of them will drop the blast powder. Keep in mind though, not all of them will drop it. And that's it. If you need more blast powder, just keep on hunting and fighting more groups. Skeletons spawn often, so you can easily farm blast powder. And that's it. Like and follow for more Fortnite tips.